How's it? Sean from Mel's YouTube book site YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about the moon. Alright, so before we do the video on the moon, subscribe to our channel. It's free. And we're doing this awesome playlist of the tarot, the history of the tarot, etc. So please subscribe. Alright, let's get started. The moon. A dog and a wolf standing in a meadow bay at the moon in the night sky. They represent the balance between domesticated conscious forces and wild unconscious forces. Showing her face in profile, the moon appears in both her waxing and waning quarters as well. Unlike the star, the light from the moon is a reflection of sunlight. Hebrews' yod of moonlight descend to the earth, representing the energy of the life force entering the physical manifestation. In the foreground is a pool of the unconscious mind. A path originating at the water's edge runs between two animals, across the plains, and between two single towers. A crayfish emerges from both the water, ascending the path, symbolizing the evolution of conscious thought from the unconscious into physical manifestation. The moon symbolizes the power of the unconscious. It is predictable and uncontrolled, but can link one to a higher mind. Alright, the 18th card, the moon. The moon reflects your unconscious mind, your desire to see into your true self, unconscious thought and psychic power. Also dreams, fantasy, illusions, and hidden things. Right now, you've been called by all your spirit guides and ancestors and angels to raise your vibration and elevate your consciousness. Alright, so the keywords: the unknown, intuition, dreams, hidden danger, psychic power, intense feelings, fluctuation, sensitivity, depression, imagination, fears, illusion, and fantasy. Alright, so before we go on with the Celtic cross positions, these are the positions of the cards. I suggest there's a suggested video on the top right hand corner of this video. Go and look there. It's called the Celtic cross. It's what they call as a reference guide, okay, to all the positions. Now, you're not going to, it shows you where all these cards, how they laid out. You can have a look at the cards and how they laid out and how they interrelated. Now, I'm going to go through all the positions here so you won't understand it. So, best go and look at that video first. It'll give you a better understanding because these are all the positions I'm going to read out to you now. All right. Okay, so the Celtic cross positions. Number one, the key position represents an imaginative, intuitive person who may be psychic, a sensitive, receptive, emotional person, guided by sympathy and compassion when dealing with others, perhaps a writer, poet, musician, or teacher, an artist, or dancer. It indicates a completion of one phase of personal growth and development, but still work to be done and more to be cleared out of the unconscious mind. Situation: A. You're not able to at present understand or resolve some issues rationally. B. Something from your past which you may have forgotten is influencing your attitude regarding the situation. C. You consider whether the situation reflects a pattern that you are repeating. Alright, so flag position number 2 represents confusion, illusion, and strong emotions and an inclination towards depression. Hidden danger, enemies, and deception. It suggests the power of unconscious thought emerging. Challenges: A. You need to pay attention to your dreams for a while in order to understand messages of your inner self. B. Seek for an outer or inner reconciliation to the matter at hand. C. The logical answer may not bring happiness or success. Don't ignore a gut reaction. 3. The root position. Murky unconscious influences are distorting the entire picture or pathway. It suggests wild imaginations and strong emotions. You are mixing fact with fiction, reality with dreams, the conscious with the unconscious. 4. Past position. Represents an unconscious revelation from deep in your past. Recovery from buried or unconscious memories from childhood. It may indicate psychotherapy, dream therapy, journal writing, or dreams keeping the past alive. This may have been a period of emotions running high. Okay, it may also indicate a period of deception or illusion. Okay, so fifth position, the crown position, represents a period of doubt and confusion. illusion, and delusion in the situation or relationship. You may have heightened awareness, creativity, psychic powers, and your sensitivity and emotions are running high. It may indicate hidden danger or being an open target. Use caution. Okay, in sixth position, the near future position represents an approach to the unknown, skepticism, and powerful forces of change. It also indicates internal confusion and chaos. Okay, the seventh position, the fear position, represents the fear of the unknown within, fear of unconscious thoughts, imagination, intuition, and dreams. A fear of your psychic abilities may lead to hidden dangers. Okay, so the eighth position, judgment position, represents someone who is overly sensitive, emotional, and unpredictable, or even a little crazy at times. It indicates a person who is moody and has an artistic temperament. They are dreamy, intuitive, and have good imagination, and could be subtly deceptive or dangerous. Ninth position, no position, represents a desire for self discovery through conscious thought, intuition, or dreams. You may be wishing to tap into a creative wellspring or maybe psychic ability. 10th position, future outcome position, represents the unknown. This is an important time for dreams, intuition, thought, and ideas. Also, there are fears that come from the unconscious. It indicates a time of fluctuation and change. Strong emotions may make you feel depressed, irrational, and confused. Hidden dangers or deception may lie ahead. Okay, so the moon. These are the opposing and the reinforcing cards to the moon. All right, the element is water, the astrological zodiac, Cancer and Pisces. Actions, imagination, intuition, fear, illusions, and bewildered. Okay, opposing cards. The star, serene, untroubled peace. The sun, assurance, clarity, enlightenment. So here are the reinforcing cards. The Seven of Cups, illusion, fantasy, unrealistic ideas. The Two of Swords, self-deception, not seeing the truth. And the Eight of Swords, confusion and lack of clarity. All right, so that's it for the moon card. All right, the next card the next video we're going to do is on the sun. All right, so look out for that video. It's coming next. All right, so please like this video. Please share it with everybody you know. And subscribe to our channel. All right, it's free. We're doing this awesome playlist of all the tarot cards and the history of the tarot. So please subscribe. And also leave your comments and suggestions and tips and whatever you want. All right. So until the sun, this is Sean from Mel's YouTube book site YouTube channel. Good day on you.